Hey y'all, welcome back. Well, deer season's winding down and it's time to get started on traps. Got 2 more weeks before deer season's over. Well, a week and a half. Juvenile after that. I'm bucked out. We'll be going to Alabama, so y'all be watching for that. But today's video is going to be my first step on getting my traps ready. So what I'm doing is I'm cleaning these traps up with the muriatic acid bath. I'm going to show you how to deactivate it, so y'all stay tuned. What I'm doing, I think 23, 24 traps here. I'm missing a trap. I don't know where it's at. But anyway, what you're going to need to do to clean them up is I went down to my local co-op, got muriatic acid. You have to be very careful with this stuff. So basically I'm pouring it into a tote or into a bucket and just straight muriatic acid, and I'm letting the trap set in 5 minutes apiece. So I'll flip her in here and show you what's going on right here. So as y'all can see, I put 2 gallons of muriatic acid in this bucket. And this is what my traps look like, pretty much. And as you can see, it's really working. You do not want to do this in where it ain't ventilated. And you can see what the traps are looking like. I got a water hose run out here to spray them off with. You don't want to let your aluminum barrels and stuff get down in there. These anchors were not on very long. That and I had a little bit of junk in. We'll have to wash it, but it really cleans these traps up. So here's one that I've already done. It's already starting to rust up a little bit. And I'm gonna be I went and got me some new buckets, and I'm gonna show you how to deactivate it too. So I've got my bucket going with that. It's been in there about 4 minutes. In my second bucket here, I'm gonna be adding baking soda. Just go to the dollar store, get a cheap box of baking soda. It don't take a whole lot. This is 4 pounds. I wanna save a little bit to deactivate the acid that is in that tub when I'm done. So pour about half a box in here. All we're wanting to do is deactivate that acid off them traps and clean them up. That's roughly half right there. I'll take my water hose. Get that mixed up real good. This in here, it's been 5 minutes. You can see and I pull them out. Got a little bit of black on it, but not much. That's a little bit of dye really stuck to the metal. And you're gonna take it over here and watch this. Take that chain, go all the way down, let that get in there and deactivate real good. Once it quits fizzing, you got it good and deactivated. I'm gonna take it out. And that is a good looking trap. Set it over here with the rest. And then I'll hose all these down when I'm done tonight. And in here in a minute, it's getting dark, but I'll show you how I deactivate this stuff. Well, last night I didn't get to finish the video. My battery went dead. I was talking on the phone with one of my good YouTube friends, and I didn't get, the battery went dead and it got super dark. So I had to hurry up and finish them up because I knew I had to do away with this acid. So basically what I done, the other 2 pounds I was talking about, the baking soda, I poured into this bucket, as you can see here. Now what you want to remember is when you pour that baking soda in there, you want to pour it slow because it does foam up as it's deactivating that acid. So you can see to the bottom of the bucket now to where you couldn't before. All the sediment is on the bottom. Now this is still the same bucket with the baking soda and water that we deactivated the traps with. So the traps have been out all night. We want a nice light coat of rust on it. As you can see, it's starting to rust. And they're really getting close to what we need. So the next thing is checking all of our earth anchors, changing out our J-hooks and our springs, and then getting them ready to dip. All right, so we'll go over this one more time. 2 gallon, if you're gonna do 12 traps, I'd do 1 gallon. I would probably go ahead and get 2 gallon. It's about 20 bucks. That's about what's in these buckets. That really helped me to get 2 traps submerged. You could probably do 1.5 gallons with 1 trap at a time, but you're gonna need to get muriatic acid, at least 2 gallon. You're gonna need to get 1 4-pound box of baking soda. You could do as many traps off that as you want, but you're gonna need that 2 pounds to break down that acid so that it's not dangerous, it's not, you know, acidic. So that's basically what I'm doing. This is step 1. I'm fixing to roll into another video here in a minute of my speed dip, because these have been out long enough, they're rusty enough. I'm changing J-hooks out, I'm putting my tags on. So I'm gonna get all that done and start dipping here in a minute before I run out of daylight. But if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. We really appreciate all the support. Trapping season's right around the corner. We can't wait to get after them. So y'all stay tuned.